Hello, welcome to Planet. Today we are going to make a monthly planner for the whole year. So here I'm using the cereal box for, or you can also use the cardboard thing, but this is fine enough. So I just covered it with a paper. You can use just a white paper or any gift paper do you have, and mark here with small circles to make the holes using the punch. So if you don't have the punch or if you don't have the old spiral books, you can also just attach it with a cello tape instead of making the punches and all other thing. You can also attach it with a cello tape. So but I have the old spiral notebook and I'm also having this one. So this is very easy to make, so yet easy to use as well. This planner is for the people who could not maintain the journal books or planner books, so this would help them better. So here I'm using a A4 papers. So I have marked it 19 centimeters. Oh, this depends upon the size of the cereal box. So mine was 19 centimeters. So I'm just marking to make a calendar out of this. So you can mark based on the measurement or based on the size of your calendar. So I'm just using the A4 paper, so which is very easy available. If not, you can also use the notebook papers. So I have marked at 3 centimeters distance. So each of my box measures about 3 into 3 centimeters. So I have calculated accordingly and then I'm just dividing it. So I'm just using a black pen, which is good to go. So here is the calendar. So you can write down all the days of the week with the different colors or with the same color. So as I have used the black color pen for the line for the boxes, I'm using blue and green for the days. So here it is how it looks. So you can write down the name of the month, and you can also start the dates, and that's it. And this is very simple and easy. And you can also make another calendar backside of this paper, so or else you can make in a different paper, but both are fine. So this is how you need to make a calendar. So this is how I made it for all the months. So and then I'm just keeping the cereal box on the top of the months, and then I'm marking these holes, which is very easy. And then you can punch it. If you are having any old spiral notebooks, you can take out that spiral thing and then you use it for this. Try to hold the papers all in a place and then punch it, or you can also use the paper clip to hold all the papers. I guess this is very easy process. If you don't have this craft punch, please use the cello tape, so which is very easy. You attach all these papers to the cello tape and then attach these papers to the cereal box with the same using the cello tape. So while moving on to the next month, you need to make a crease at the top and then you can use it. So just like you fold a calendar, you also make a crease. So as I have this old notebook spiral, so I'm using this to make it. Even if you don't have, you can make this one, as I said, using the cello tape. So this is a spiral which we need to open it. So you open and then just once you insert into the holes, then you can press it again. So advantages of making this calendar is you can keep this on the desk or in the bedroom or the place where you work. So you can see all your important dates, or you can note down things quickly as soon as you see. So it is just like a reminder to you. So you can make this. I guess it is helpful.
Also, please do let me know your comments about this video, and don't forget to like and share. That's it. The monthly planner is ready. You can also make it colorful just by using stickers or color pens, or that's optional. So this is the basic one. Here I am using a small butterflies. As I had a craft punch, I had cut out few punches papers, so and I'm decorating it. So this is completely optional, or else you can, if you're good at drawing, you can draw pictures and then make it more colorful. Or you can also use these small punches which we usually have, so you can make a colored circles like this, and then you can attach it, so that ways you're also marking the important dates like festivals or birthdays, or any important date. A monthly calendar is very effective to use, and it also serves its purpose as well. And it would be best to prioritize your tasks accordingly. Hope this video is helpful, and see you in the next video. Bye.